And in this recipe, we got it from my husband's grandma. You finish the popcorn off in the microwave to get it all crispy rather than having to bake it. So it goes a lot faster. So let's go ahead and get the caramel started because that's going to take a minute. We're going to use a stick of butter.
A full stick.
That's how you know it's going to be good.
Yeah, because you have to have butter on the popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
You have to have butter in the caramel.
That makes it so good.
It makes it so good. Let's just get this all out. Wow. Well, let's just put this in there.
Need a cup of brown sugar.
Let's move this a little closer onto our bag.
Mm-hmm.
We won't pack it down in there.
The brown sugar gets packed in.
So I'll just pack it down on the side. Like this.
Yep.
So this is more than 1 cup of brown sugar because it's packed down.
Like, but that's how you measure brown sugar. You pack it in.
Like so, 1 cup of regular sugar would be more than 1 cup of brown sugar.
Yeah, we have these OXO containers. This one actually has a little terracotta ring you can soak in water to keep your brown sugar fresh. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and the really easy, tap it, it lets it go, then
We got a
tap,
quarter cup of corn syrup.
tap it again, then it locks.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Gooey.
Gooey.
Gooey. Gooey, ooh. Gooey. Gooey, ooey, and gooey.
Okay, and then let's give it a couple good shakes of salt.
Couple like big or?
Okay, that's probably good.
Okay.
Give it a stir.
Yeah, I'll be the store man.
Okay.
Even though I have the whole bag and stuff buying for me, I'll store. It looks like brown. It's like brown liquid.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know what this reminds me of.
What?
It's. I feel like it's like kind of like maple syrup, but like it's like the maple syrup sugar.
Oh yeah,
Like when you dry.
the maple sand at the end.
Yeah, like the maple sand. Yeah, that's kind of what it reminds me of, but watery. Or corn syrupy.
Okay, well while this is melting, we can go ahead and put our popcorn and peanuts in the bag. So we've got a paper grocery bag here. We're gonna put about 20 cups or so of popcorn. You can use like 2 microwave bags of microwave popcorn, or you can air pop it, or here, why don't you do it over here so I can help hold.
Fine. Okay, I'll just dump all this in. Okay. This
Alright.
bag's huge. It's building any popcorn in.
And obviously we're gonna be putting this in the microwave, so make sure that there's no staples or anything in the bag. And then we'll put some peanuts in.
And you can put as many peanuts in as you want. I'll have to stand up for this since the bag's so tall.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta take off the safety seal.
You can do it.
Yeah. I'll let you show that while I take off this safety seal if I can. This might be a failure. Oh, I'm barely in the video.
Just let me know if you need some help.
Yeah, I just need a little help getting it started. Woo! My hand hurts. I'm still standing. There. You? And I can
Go.
do that. And take a little another part off. You can put as many peanuts in there as you want. And you can put well, I might still more.
Okay,
I'm just mixing it up with my hand
that's fine.
really fast. Yeah, we need more.
More. Go for it. Dump them all in.
Yeah. We're gonna get all that powder in there too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
Now we're going to bring this to a boil and let it boil for 3 minutes. So that'll take just a little time. We'll fast forward so we don't bore you to death.
Yeah.
Seven,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
Dun, 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 dun. All right, so now that it's been boiling for 3 minutes, we'll turn off the heat.
Yep, we turned off the heat.
Now this part you need to be really careful on. Make sure that when you make this, you use a decent sized saucepan because it's gonna bubble up here in a second. We're gonna add a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
What's the bubbles?
There it goes. See how it gets foamy and lighter in color? All right, now we need to put it in the bag. Move out of the way, this is super hot.
Okay. Emergency! Take care! It looks like gooch.
Mm-hmm.
Gooch, a gooch.
Slimy.
It's naughty, it looks.
Yeah, it does.
You don't see any of our heads.
That's great.
Here,
This is hot, Jackson.
we'll put our heads back in.
Super hot.
Here,
All right, now we give this.
I take it.
Pull it down. It's hot, so you have to be careful.
Is it hot here? Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Good? Let me try. You just tell me to do it like that. Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. All right, once you think you've got it somewhat coated, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes.
Yeah, 1 minute 30 seconds if you don't know what 1 minute and a half.
Mhm.
Okay, now we got it done. We're gonna shake it good. We put it in there for 1 minute 20 seconds. We're gonna shake it good. Again, now we'll put it in again for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Then we'll dump it out, put it on here, we'll shake it, put it, dump it out on here, spread it out, let it cool for a while, then we'll be done. And we'll just taste test it, then we're done.
All right, one more trip to the microwave.
Yep.
All right.
Alright, we have it. We put it in there for 1 minute 15 seconds. So, we're doing this last shake. Shake awake. Then we'll put it on the tray like I said and spread it out.
Okay, and I forgot to mention earlier, you want to make sure to get all the unpopped kernels out of your popcorn first.
Yeah, because
Nobody wants to break a tooth on their caramel corn.
you messed it up. You threw some.
I threw it.
I'm just getting it.
Okay. It is hot, so be careful.
It's not too hot though. And look at the mountain of caramel corn.
Yep.
You're making a mess.
Right now it's sticky. But
Yeah.
you just let it
But
cool
you let it
completely.
cool for a couple hours.
Yep, once it's cooled, then you can put it in an airtight container and store it that way. It'll be good for several days. And it'll get all nice and crunchy and stuff. Right now, like I said, it's gooey and caramely, but it's still delicious.
Yeah. But it's hot.
It is hot.
And like all the peanuts are like up top.
Yep, we'll mix them in once it's cooled and we can...
Yeah, once it's cooled, you can mess with it as much as you want. But right now, it's hot. Just let it dry.
Yep. It's going to be a little bit gooey, but we can go ahead and try a piece if you want.
Yeah, let's try a piece and we'll try the real stuff later.
All right. Hot?
I have to try peanut too.
Okay. See?
It's
Yummy, delicious caramel corn.
It's so good right now.
Yeah, you definitely need to give this one a try because it is really good.
Yeah, try one piece like now. Once take it out and have it spread it out, and try a piece later.
Yeah, the first time I made this, I was actually at my husband's grandma's house, and his sister and my brother-in-law were there, and so that was the first time I ever saw it made in the microwave. And they remembered her making it when they were kids, so it was a fun kind of nostalgic thing, and we sat around and pretty much ate the whole pan before it had a chance to cool. But it does kind of stick to your teeth when you eat it when it's still warm. So anyway, this is perfect. You can pack it up in little bags. It's kind of like Cracker Jack. Yeah. It's you could serve it as, I've sent it home as party favors for baseball themed baby showers before. We serve it at our like football parties and stuff. So it's really good just about any time. So we hope you give it a try and we hope you love it.
Yeah, it's still really good hot, but it would be better cooled down, I think.
Yeah, because then it's crunchy.
But still, it's super good hot just because like it has the pop. I don't know.
Yep, it's hard to go wrong.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for new videos because we've got several coming out, and we will see you next time.
Yep.
Bye.
Hit that